LinkedIn remains one of the top standard platforms for connecting professionals in their field, having over 1.3 billion registered members. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use LinkedIn to search for events such as webinars, training sessions, conferences, and attend them online and in person using these three key tips. Without ado, let's jump right into the video.
You can either do this on your phone or on your laptop, but in this case you're using my laptop, so just open your browser. If you have the app, just open it from the app. Okay, and this is my account. You can follow me here and let's connect together. Yes, so the first method is go to your search. So this is a search app here. Then you look for an event by keyword. Let's say if you want to attend an event which relates to a business, just type in the keyword, that's a business. Then you press enter. Then here it gives you a general result. So this is what you do. To find a site that is related to events, click on the event over here. You have other buttons such as the job, people, pages. That also links you to people and pages and other options. Okay, but now you're talking about events. So here are the upcoming events. It gives you for the recent one. So for example, this is today 12 a.m. that has passed already. But when you scroll down, you get the latest ones. That one's 5:30, so already passed. But when you scroll down here and go through the numbers here, it gives you those that are back. For instance, you have Bennett Business Networking, which is today 8 a.m. This is an in-person meeting. Okay, so you have to attend in person. Okay, so if you want to attend, you just go to attend, then to get registered. You see, you are now attending the Bennett Business Network. We have other online ones too as well. For instance, if you search through, you see building a business that fits real life. So if I click on it, it will give me this option here. So attend. Okay, then I can attend here. So if I click on it, it will register me. So you are now attending building a business that fits real life. With that, I'm now an attendee. However, so in case you want to share this, just go to the share button. So share button, then you go to any other option, just invite or repost to feed. So you can use any of this option to share with other people as well. Okay, so that's how you can search for an event on LinkedIn. To see more results, you can click on see all, then to give you all related events. And you can always search by the keyword. Okay, I can search for data analysis. Analysis. Then I'll go to events option here, and I'll see all the events that are related to data analysis. And this is a good opportunity for each one of us. Now let me show you the second method. Let's go to our home. So I'll just click on the profile picture over here, then go to new profile. Then here you click on the my connections. So the two icons over here on your phone to appear as my connections. You just click on it. Then to bring you here, then tap on events. And here it will list all my registered events. You can see I just registered for the Bennett Business Networking. So to bring me all those that I've attended and those that are upcoming, mostly those that are yet to come up. Okay. If I should go back, let me just go back once. Under the results, immediately you click on the My Network and Events. Here we have suggested events for you, so you can set through them and make your choice.
Quick break. My algorithm tells me that most of you watch my videos without subscribing, which is not helping the channel to grow. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon. And thanks for supporting the channel.
Yes. The third one is actually going to the pages that you follow. Okay. For instance, if I go to pages, then I choose any of the pages. For instance, if I go to WhatsApp, if WhatsApp is having any account events, it's to have a button here. See here you have home, about, post, job, people. There'll be an event button. There'll be an event button to also here, which if I click on it, then show me the events that are coming up from WhatsApp. And this helps you to also get connected, to stay connected with your pages that you are following. And I believe this helps you to navigate your search for events. If you don't have a LinkedIn account, you want me to do a video on that, I could do that. However, if there's something that you wish that I teach you, if you don't have a LinkedIn account, please create one because it goes a long way to help you. There's some people that you can't reach through their contacts, phone contacts. Okay, but through LinkedIn, you can just tell them and they reply shortly. It will surprise you. LinkedIn is very, very silent in terms of comparing the whole world with professionals that are just existing on one particular page. I've gotten replies from ministers, top business people, and it's amazing. So you can also try it out. If you want to create one, watch a video online. I've not created that video yet. I created one on how to refer your LinkedIn account. That's what I did. But there are others that have created videos on how to actually create a LinkedIn account. You can always follow my page. Comment in the comment section below what you want to teach you next, and I'll help you to know what content will best fit your hunger.
I believe this video helps you. If it does, tap on that like button, share this video, subscribe, and click on the bell icon. Till I see you again, stay blessed.